up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, if it's not, welcome back. This is ImJustTechnical. My name is Jasmine, and on this channel I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a sub count command. So a command that you can use in your chat to keep track of how many current subs or subscribers you have for your Twitch channel. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, then keep on watching. I forgot to mention that we're going to be doing this using StreamElements for this specific tutorial. First step is to go to StreamElements.com, and you want to make sure that you log in with your Twitch account. I'm already logged in, as you can see, so I'm going to go over here to my dashboard, and then I'm going to come over here to where it says chatbot. Oh, my camera's in the way. I'm going to come over here to where it says chatbot, and I'm going to click on that and open that up. And then we're going to come over here and click on chat commands. We're going to come over here and click on custom commands, and then we're going to click on add new command. Since I already have a sub count command, for the sake of this video, I'm going to call it subs, but I would recommend naming your command !sub count. User level, I'll leave it for everyone for now, but if people kind of get too excessive with it, or they start spamming it, then I would suggest putting that on maybe like a subscriber level. Now we'll just leave it for everyone. That's something that you're gonna have to gauge for your specific chat. And for the response message, you can kind of edit this how you want it, but you want to make sure that you have a specific code in here, and I'll have that typed down in the description box just in case you want to copy and paste it. So check that out. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to put I'm Just Jasmine, which is my Twitch channel. I'm Just Jasmine currently has, I don't know why my stuff is lagging like that. And then this is the code that you want, the coding or the text that is required in this for it to work. So you want to make sure that you have this $, squiggly bracket. I don't know if that's what that's actually called, but that's what I'm calling it. Channel with 2 N's dot subs close squiggly bracket. I'm just gonna put subscribers. I'm gonna keep it simple. You can edit this message however you want, but just make sure that you have this part. This part is mandatory for it to work, because instead of it saying this, it's going to give the number of subs that you currently have for your channel. For example, it should say I'm Just Jasmine currently has 1 subscriber. Well, whenever you get this how you want it, just click activate command. And here's our new command. Make sure that it's enabled. If it's blue like this and this white dot is on the right hand side, then that means that it's enabled and it's ready to be used for your Twitch chat. Speaking of Twitch chat, let's head over to Twitch and check this new command out and make sure that it works. So now that I'm on Twitch and I'm logged in with my account, I'm going to go over here to the right hand corner to my profile picture and click that, and I'm going to go to my channel, twitch.tv/ImJustJasmine. Check me out. I would appreciate it. Once you're here, you want to go over to chat and click on that. And since we're using StreamElements, we want to make sure that we make StreamElements a moderator for our Twitch channel. Let's just make sure that we give StreamElements the, the go ahead to just do what it needs to do, or do what we want it to do when it comes to just pushing out these commands when we want it to. Giving it access, that's the word I'm looking for. So you want to come down here and you want to type /mod space, and then the name of the person that we're trying to mod, which is StreamElements. So StreamElements, which is all one word. Hit enter. And for me, StreamElements is already a moderator for my channel. If it's not for your channel, then you'll get a message saying that StreamElements is now a moderator for this channel. And so once you've done that, now we can type in the command that we just created to make sure that it works. So for me, I did !subs, hit enter. I'm Just Jasmine currently has 0 subscribers. So our command works. But yes, that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It helps me out a whole lot. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns about this tutorial, or if you have any tutorials you want to see in the future, let me know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Later, y'all.